Hello friends, I am Dr. Nikhila Bhagwat. I am the IQAC coordinator of SMRK BKAK Mahila Mahavidyalaya Nasik, Maharashtra. I am also the convener of this week-long national level online faculty development program on the theme Multidisciplinary Approach to Quality Enhancement in Higher Education, organized by the Sports Department of SMRK BKAK Mahila Mahavidyalaya and Khelrang FSSA Nasik in association with Sports Department of SNDT Women's University Mumbai. This program started on 23rd May 2020 and it is concluding today on 29th May 2020. In these 7 days, we could avail guidance on varied multidisciplinary subjects from experts. Subjects like mind power for higher performance, research methods used in social sciences, research aptitude test where we could gauge our own research ability. Then we also tried to explore the new learning platform MOOC. We also heard how to make available the free digital resources. We tried to develop a new perspective of physical literacy. And today we heard two experts on the post-COVID challenges that we need to face, the economic challenges and the health-related challenges, and then how to find solutions for that. I have read somewhere that Saint Ambrose, a Roman saint who lived in the 4th century, believed that the most important and urgent duty of a man is to return thanks. I completely agree with him, and therefore I am here today feeling very privileged with a gratitude-laden heart and join hands to propose the vote of thanks of this week-long online national level faculty development program. Thank you. This faculty development program was hosted by SMRK BKAK Mahila Mahavidyalaya Nasik, Maharashtra in association with Khelrang FSSA and the Sports Department of SNDT Women's University Mumbai. It has been our pleasure to have more than 310 delegates from 17 different states belonging to teaching fraternity participating in this program. Participants joined us from 4 distant corners of India, from the northern state of Kashmir, from the southern tip of Kerala, from western state of Gujarat, and from the remotely placed eastern state of Tripura. The participants were very enthusiastic and eager to grasp new knowledge. On behalf of the organizing team, I express a deep sense of honor and appreciation for our delegates for their overwhelming response and also for appreciating our efforts. I also thank the participants who sent us their thoughtful feedbacks in form of videos. I am sure that all of you would continue to give your generous support for all the future endeavors of our institution. We have been fortunate to have eminent resource persons from academia, industry and commerce spreading their expertise for the betterment of the society and progress of the country. I am sure that the participant must have benefited by attending the multidisciplinary sessions of the faculty development program. On behalf of the organizing team, I express my sincere thanks to all our distinguished resource persons for their valuable contribution. On behalf of the organizing team, I express my deep sense of gratitude towards our parent organization, the Gokhale Education Society, Nasik, in general, and Secretary of Gokhale Education Society, Sir Dr. M.S. Gosavi in particular, for the total support and for being the continuous source of motivation for us. I am grateful to our parent university, the SNDT Women's University Mumbai, for its unconditional patronage. I take this opportunity to put on record our wholehearted and wide appreciation towards our organizing partners, Khelrang Fitness and Sports Science Association Nasik, for their efficient technical support, and the Sports Department of SNDT Women's University Mumbai for their trustful alliance. It has been a privilege to convene this national level online faculty development program. I express my sincere gratitude towards the organizing director, Principal Dr. Mrs. Dipti Deshpande, who is the head of the institute, and the IQAC chairperson of our college for giving me this splendid opportunity. I also profoundly acknowledge her leadership role, precious guidance, and total support in making this program a success. My colleague and the coordinator of this faculty development program, Dr. Kavita Kholgade, conceived the idea of this program and nurtured it all along with her dedication and diligence. I immensely thank her for her huge contribution in organizing this week-long program. On behalf of the organizing team, I extend my sincere thanks towards office bearers of Khelrang FSSA, Secretary Dr. Kavita Kholgade and Joint Secretary Dr. Sagar Kakatkar for technological collaboration. I also sincerely thank the observer of this faculty development program, Dr. Leena Bhatt, who pragmatically observed the entire process of the program and shared her valuable observations. Friends, I also sincerely acknowledge the direct or indirect help of many of my college colleagues in smooth conduct of this program. कहते हैं ना, teamwork divides the task and multiplies the success. Friends, I pray for your sound health and protection in the COVID 2019 pandemic. As a concluding note, I would say, goodbyes are not forever. Goodbyes are not the end. They simply mean we will miss you until we meet again. Stay safe and smiling. Thank you very much.